Do you want to create some viral TikTok? Oh, guess what? So do I. So I'm going to show you how to do it from the beginning to the end. Okay? So the first thing that you need to do, wait a minute, before I start telling you what to do and what not to do, let me show you the video that we're going to create. I created this video with my girlfriend.
So tell me, how's it feel? Tell me, how's it feel?
Sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up.
Yeah guys, and that is the video. So the first thing that you need to do is to search for that trending sound. The sound that you want to do, make sure it is number one trending on TikTok. That's step number one. Step number two, you just need to have your mobile device and you're ready to go. The next thing that you need to do is to scroll by TikTok and find this sound. And then the next thing is to click use on sound, click on timer, and then bring the small line until to a point where the beat will start to pop. Where it will pop the first time, bring it up to that point. It's around 4.9 if I'm not so wrong. So after that, click start and ask your subject to behave like he's in distress and he's about to hit the mirror with his blow. After your subject has done that, of which my subject right here is my girlfriend, the TikTok will just stop by itself. And then after that, remove it from 3 beeping second to 10 beeping second of timer and then click start. Bring yourself into the picture and then position yourself in front of your girlfriend or in front of your subject. After you have done that, just wait for the timer to finish and then ask her to punch your hand as you hold her punch. And done. You have created a viral video with me.
So tell me, how's it feel? Tell me, how's it feel?
Feel sitting up there, feeling so high, but you're far away to hold me. You know I'm the one who put you up.
Thank you guys for joining this video. Just like this video, go to YouTube, follow me as Risley Official, of which on this TikTok now I'll be bringing you more content just like this one, and I hope you guys will enjoy.